Yo, what's going on, guys? It is your boy, ABC Anthony here, and got another absolute motherforkin' banger for you. I want to say the other word, but I'm probably going to get demonetized. Got another banger for you. You guys know the deal already. I'm going to be showing you how I found this product last week, and I have a product here that is now has spent $244 and has generated $600 in sales at a 2.46 return. And over the lifetime of the product, it's actually generated close to $900 and almost a 2.5 return on ad spend. And I'm going to show you how I found this product last week in literally like 5 minutes. Product research is not that difficult. In fact, there's only one thing that you need to know to get product research right. And once you know this thing, you can pretty much disregard everything else, because it ultimately comes down to, and your success with a product ultimately comes down to the speed and efficiency at which you can test products and identify whether or not there's clear product market fit. Because the right product and a winning product will sell regardless of the creative, the landing page, and the offer. And I mean that with like a baseline level of quality amongst those three, which you should have, especially if you're inside God Tier Ecom. First thing in the description, by the way. Lowest price it'll ever be, so lock in your spot before the price goes up on the 28th. But anyways, assuming you have a baseline level of quality, a winning product will sell. A winning product, take it like this. A winning product can compensate for bad creative, bad offer, and bad landing page. And bad landing page. But the reverse is not true. If you have a product that no one wants, I don't care how good your creative is, it's not going to sell. Like if you try to sell newspapers, I don't care how good the creative is, it's not going to sell. So let me break down exactly how I found this product. And the one characteristic that you need to know about a product is whether or not it's already selling. If a product is already selling millions and millions of units every single day, then it is a winning product. There are millions of people trading their money and transacting their money every single day in exchange for that product. All you need to do is sell that product, is put your ads in front of your competitors' customers and sell them the same product they were about to buy from their competitors. It is that simple. A product that is already working. Forget about other criteria. Just when we get down to the simplest thing, the criteria that trumps all else and will win and has the highest success rate in terms of a characteristic that determines a winning product is whether or not it's proven to work. So this is how you find products that are proven to work. And this is literally how I found this product last week in like 10 minutes, built the store, launched the ads, and it's already almost $1,000 in revenue. What you're going to do is go to your ad platform of choice. I prefer TikTok right now just because I think TikTok is kind of leading the industry in terms of content. I think things blow up on TikTok first. And these platforms literally have a way for you to see what's working well. It's called top ads. They are like, guys, you can see which ads for which products are performing the best. You really, PP ads is fantastic. I love it. We pay for the maximum subscription, again, for free in God Tier Ecom. But you don't even need that, to be honest. And then I found a product that's at $1,000 in revenue using this setup. You go to the top ads, and then you just tell Meta what products you're interested in seeing. So let's say, you know what, I kind of want to get into let's go with toys for kids. All I'm going to do is filter down my products. I usually like to look in the last 7 and 30. The last 180 is cutting it. I want to find things that are working right now, because if there's a lot of momentum behind something right now, there's a high likelihood that I can just latch that existing demand onto my product. And you can even see advertisers advertising or driving conversions. And then we're also going to filter by reach. And then we're just going to see. Okay? You guys have probably seen this freaking koala everywhere, right? This thing is everywhere. I can't escape this from my feed. I think several YouTubers have already made videos about this, but I'm just looking through this. Oh, I'm not logged in. Jeez. Technical difficulties. Let me log in real quick. There we go. All right, toys for kids. Let's see. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to keep going until I find a product. I probably wouldn't go for like the koala thing, just because there's so many people selling that currently. I think that product has slightly hit, its breaking point in terms of saturation, or like, let's not say saturation. I just think it's way too competitive right now. And it's a very clear dropshipping product, but you can honestly probably sell that one too, especially if you're running cost caps. Yeah, look, there's so many other versions. Yeah, actually, I take that back because the koala is the one doing well, but you could easily find another version of this product. And you can click into the ad, and this is probably a dropshipper. Oh, I don't even know what this is. Jeez. Let's see. Where is it? Let's go to this one. Oh, no. Let's go to reach. There you go. That's why it's not filtering. All right, so we're just looking for products. Boom. That is a clear Stitch ripoff. Okay, Breathing Buddy. Boom. These guys are pumping, I bet, because look how many. Look at that peak right there. Boom. That is how I found the product. That is the exact process. Was just looking through the top performing ads. Okay, this thing's popping off. Okay, click in. Check. Boom. Product. It's working well. You can validate with SimilarWeb. Sometimes it doesn't work with dropshippers, but this is a dropshipping brand. You can see they scaled up. 10,000 sessions on a brand new site is actually pretty good. Let me show you another example with niches that usually don't have dropshippers. So what I've been having a field day in is clothing. So I'll go into men's clothing, but let's actually go into women's clothing because women's clothing just has so much. There's just so much stuff you could sell. So women's clothing. This is exactly how I found the product the other day. Boom. I was like, okay, this ad, 109K likes, top 12% CTR, high budget. Let's see the analytics. And as you can see, remaining very high in terms of analytics, 1,000 comments, 2K shares. Sometimes the product isn't there and I'm like, no problem. I can very easily find this on AliExpress, but let's do another example where the product is actually there. Let's go with this one. Shapewear product. Boom. Skims, 100% validated. These guys are clearing, almost 10 million sessions a month. Boom. There's my product. I will literally find this on AliExpress and start selling it. That is literally all you need to do. Just find products. The TLDR of this entire video, if I had to sum it up in 30 seconds, find products that are already working. Go to the ad platforms. See which ads are getting the most spend and having the most success. See what products those ads are advertising. Follow those products to the site. Validate them with SimilarWeb. See if they're driving actual sessions and conversions and traffic in the same way that Skibbs is. And then just go find a copycat on AliExpress, build your store, and sell the product. That is literally it, guys. That is all you need for product research. If there's one product research video that I could give to someone, or if I had one thing to say about product research to pass to someone who's a complete beginner that just wants to, scale to their first $1,000 a day as quickly as possible, it would be that. Find something that's already working and sell that thing. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure if you want to get access to my complete masterclass, a free one-on-one coaching call, and daily Q&A calls inside of my course and community, and learn exactly how I do all of this from step by step, then hit the first thing in the description. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And that's it for now. Peace.